Satan, we said, is the one who used to complain us to God. Look at your son, look at your daughter. Look, you think you still call them your children? Look how they're behaving. They are so distant from that sonship. What kind of a child is this, God? Look at him. He's living in filth, in sin. So Satan used to complain to God about us. When the door was shut for him to enter heaven, he remained in the air. He can't go to God to complain against us. So what is he doing now? He's coming, entering our thoughts and complaining God to us. In other words, he comes now and plays with your head and says, where is your Jesus? Look at you, look how you live. Do you call this a life, how you're living? If God was love, if he was truly love, how could he stand and watch you fall so deep and so far and do absolutely nothing? Look, Jesus didn't save you. You still love Jesus? Come on. Until when? Why are you wasting your time going to church? Why are you wasting your time reading the Holy Bible? Why are you wasting your time fasting and doing all these things? This is for the oldies. Enjoy life, brother. Jesus has forgotten about you. Have fun. Go to Bondi Beach and sleep on that sand and get all the vitamin D. Go clubbing. Go holidays. What Jesus? If he really loved you, he wouldn't have allowed for you to live such a terrible life. He didn't save you. You've been praying for healing. He didn't heal you. You've been praying for a miracle. Nothing happened. You've been praying to marry Rachel. You ended up marrying Elizabeth. What happened? Where is Jesus? It's Satan. No. When this kind of a thought comes, you say, Satan, in Jesus' mighty name, away with you. The Lord loves me. He is with me, and he knows exactly what is good for me.